Hello everyone, I hope all you are doing well. My name is Pallavi Sharma. I am presently pursuing my masters in agricultural economics. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank our course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir, who is presently serving as associate professor in the division of fruit science, SCOST Jammu, who gives us such a wonderful opportunity and platform. The topic of my presentation is biodiversity and conservation of tea. So, let's get started. The content of my presentation include introduction, botanical description and types, origin and distribution, biodiversity and conservation, germplasm conservation, geographical indications, and tea research institutes. Introduction. The scientific name for tea is Camellia sinensis. It belongs to family Theaceae. The chromosome number for tea is 30. Tea components. It comprises of catechins, caffeines and vitamins. The vitamins which are present in the tea are vitamin C and vitamin B12. Catechins, it is the astringency component, and caffeine which is present in the tea is the bitterness component. Botany, or we can say botanical description. From an evergreen shrub to a small tree of 16-meter tall, usually pruned back to shrubs in cultivation with strong taproot. Leaves are alternate, lanceolate to obovate, up to 30 cm broad, sometimes become serrate, acute or acuminate. Flowers which are present are usually 1 to 3 in number in axillary or subterminal chyme, 2 to 5 cm broad. Petals and sepals are 3 to 5 and pedicel is about 5 to 15 mm long. Capsules or seeds are depressed, globose, brownish, lobate to about 2 cm broad, and approximately there are 500 seeds per kg. Origin and distribution. Cultivation of tea goes back to 2000 BC in Eastern Asia, where brews of tea were used for medicinal purposes. Its documented use as a social drink dates from 5th century in China. Thus, the tea was brought into cultivation in southern China, former Indochina or Assam in India. Tea is best grown on the tropical hills in China, India, Sri Lanka and Malaysia, where the annual rainfall is abundant. In India, tea producing states are Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Sikkim, Nagaland and Uttarakhand. This is the world map which is showing the major tea producers and the minor tea producers country of the world. The dark green color represent major tea producers and the light green color represent minor tea producers. So from the map we have an idea that Asiatic region comes under major tea producers. Varieties of tea. Two principal varieties are the small leaved China plant Camellia sinensis variety sinensis and the large leaved Assam plant Camellia sinensis variety Assamica. Biodiversity and conservation. Biodiversity literally means the variety of all life forms, the different plants, animals and microorganisms, their genes and the ecosystem of which they are a part. Need for conservation. Food security, fuel and wood, maintenance of water resources, soil formation and fertility, natural resource and economic benefits. Levels in biodiversity, genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity and ecosystem biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity, variation of genes. The total genetic information contained in the genes of all species constitute genetic biodiversity. Species biodiversity, variety of living species refers to number of species and individuals in an ecosystem. Ecosystem biodiversity, variety of ecosystem, the variety of habitats, natural communities and ecological processes, it all constitutes ecosystem biodiversity. Conservation methods. There are two conservation methods, in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. In situ conservation comprises of national park, on-farm conservation and biosphere reserve. Ex situ conservation comprises of whole plant and parts of the plant. Whole plant include field gene banks and botanical gardens, whereas parts of plant include Cairo banks, tissue culture and seed gene banks. Conservation of genetic resource of tea. Conservation of genetic resource of tea is being designated by national repositories, public and private tea research institutes, regional and local government, botanical gardens, universities, farmers association, tea estate and plantation, individual farmers, national, regional and local protected sites. These conservation hold local land traces, improved seeds of clonal cultivars, breeding material and accessions of closely related wild relatives. Tea germplasm. According to International Journal of Biodiversity, all tea taxa freely interbreed and thus show many overlapping morphological, biochemical and physiological attributes that are highly diverse and heterozygous. Due to these characteristics, extreme hybridization existence of pure archetypes of tea is highly doubtful. Therefore, it is important to characterize accession of the tea germplasm for its better management and utilization of the available germplasm. Currently, about 600 tea germplasm accessions are being maintained at the Tea Research Institute of Sri Lanka, Talawakela, Sri Lanka. According to records, only 23 accessions, which are about 4% of the germplasm, have been frequently utilized in the tree breeding programs as a parent in the past couple of decades to develop new cultivars. The limited genetic diversity of tea renders it to more vulnerable to stress conditions such as the effect of pest, diseases, droughts, and much more. Gene centers of tea. Two tea research institutes are highly involved in maintaining tea genes. Tea Research Association at Tokalia Tea Research Institute in Johrat, Assam, and UPASI Tea Research Institute in Valparaiso, Tamil Nadu. At TRI, collection conserved include old accessions, accessions collected from wild patches from Indo-Burman region, and accessions introduced from China, Japan, and Korea. UPASI has been designated as 41st National Active Germplasm Site of NBPGR of tea genetic resource. They work collaboratively with TRA to conserve the accessions. Geographical indication. A geographical indication is a name or a sign used on a certain product which correspond to a specific geographical location or origin. The use of geographical indication may act as a certification that the product possesses and enjoys certain reputation, especially attribute to their geographical origin. A GI registry with all India adjudication operate as per the geographical indication of Good Act 1999. As per Geographical Indication Act of 1999, Darjeeling word and logo were the first GI to be registered in India in the name of Tea Board. Nilgiri Orthodox Tea of India also have been accorded with the GI tag. The pictures on the screen depicting the Darjeeling Tea logo and the Nilgiri Orthodox Tea logo. GIS, which stands for Geographical Information System. GIS has the capability to analyze the soil data and determine which crop should be planted, where, and how to maintain soil nutrition so that plants are best benefited. GIS in horticulture helps the farmer to achieve increased production and reduce cost by enabling better management of land resources. Habitat evaluation or habitat modeling with the use of GIS has the potential to make a substantial contribution to the conservation at multiple spatial scales. Documentation. The documentation process involves the following points: information gathered from individual through detailed questionnaires, focus group discussion with persons having knowledge, published secondary information. Thus, documentation process is the systematically collecting, organizing, storing and disseminating the information. Here is the list of tea colleges and institutes in India. Indian Institute of Plantation Management, Bangalore. CSIR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, India. Tokalia Experiment Station, TRA, Johrat, Assam, India. University of North Bengal, Darjeeling, West Bengal. UPSI Tea Research Institute, Tamil Nadu. Birla Institute of Futuristic Study, Kolkata. Now, some of the international tea institutes. Tea Research Institute, Talawakela, Sri Lanka. Chinese Tea Research Institute, Academy of Agriculture Science, Zhejiang. Hanzhou Institute of Tea Research, China. Research Institute of Tea Research, Indonesia. Tea Research Institute of Iran, Sheikh Azad Avenue, Gulen, Iran. Tea Research Foundation, Kenya. Buenos Aires University, Argentina. Now the time for some question answers. The question number 1. What is the chromosome number of tea? Answer is 30. Name the place of origin of tea. Answer is Indo-Burman. Give the scientific name of Assam tea. The answer is Camellia sinensis, variety Assamica. Next question is, which component of tea give it a bitter taste? Answer for that is caffeine. Which state in India producing largest amount of tea? Answer is Assam. What is the rank of India in tea production in the world? Answer is second. Which tea research institute is designated as 41st National Active Germplasm Site for NPBGR for tea genetic resource? The answer is UPASI, Tamil Nadu. Thank you. If you found this presentation helpful, do like and share.